Dear children, in the last class, we saw how Bassanio describes Antonio to Portia, and it is in Act 3, Scene 2. Open your text so that you can follow. Here, we'll continue that. After Bassanio, Portia speaks. Portia, what sum owes he the Jew? She is asking Bassanio that how much money does he has to give to that man Shylock? And Bassanio says, for me, 3,000 ducats. According to my calculation or according to me, he has to give 3,000 ducats. So Portia says, what? No more. It is not at all much. That's all. Pay him 6,000. So she is coming forward and telling Bassanio that only 3,000 ducats. Pay him 6,000 and deface the bond. And let the bond be cancelled. Give him double the amount and cancel the bond. It is not at all much amount. And what she keep saying something, double 6,000, even double 6,000. That means after giving double the amount what he has to give, double that also you can, and then treble. That means thrice, 3 times of that amount. That before a friend of this description shall lose a hair through Bassanio's fault. What is her point here? Because of Bassanio, let not such a good friend, what you have described, I have come to know that he is such a good friend, he should not lose even a hair because of the fault of Bassanio. So she is telling Bassanio, because of you, let not your good friend lose a hair. And first go with me to church and call me a wife. This sentence, explain the sentence, question can be asked from this part. What she wants to say here, first go with me to church and call me wife. Here they have just changed their rings and no ceremony took place. No church, we say that solemnizing of the marriage in front of the priest is not done. So it is must, you should come with me to the church and we will have the marriage ceremony done, and then you away to Venice to your friend. Then you go to your friend who is in Venice. For never shall you lie by Portia's side with an unquiet soul. So first he said that give the amount double the 6,000 and treble, and then what she said, you have described your friend, and from that I could come to know that he is such a good friend, he should not lose a hair because of your fault. And then she says that first you come with me to the church and we have the ceremony of marriage, and then you can immediately go to your friend who is in Venice. After that what she says, for never shall you lie by Portia's side with an unquiet soul. That means in a disturbed, unquiet means in a disturbed spirit. Soul here, spirit. In a disturbed mood, you will not lie with me. That means no need to stay for that night to stay with me. Immediately you can go. After getting married, you can move to Venice. You shall have gold to pay the petty debt 20 times over. She is very much upset of that Shylock's talk. So she is saying that you are having such a gold that will be 20 times what the amount he has to pay, that will be. So you take the gold too. When it is paid, bring your true friend along. Then she requesting Bassanio to bring Antonio along with him when he comes back from Venice. My maid Nerissa and myself, meantime, will live as maids and widows. So, one after the other sentence I am explaining, be careful, follow carefully. And then what she says that, when you go to Venice, myself and Nerissa also got married Graciano in the same time. So, we both of us will stay as maids. Maids means unmarried, like unmarried women, we will stay. And what else he says that? As maids and widows. So, like ladies who have lost their husbands are called widows. So, the wives who are staying without husbands. Equally, what she wants to say is that though we have got married today, we will stay like unmarried women, but you go to Venice today itself. Come away, for you shall hence upon your wedding day, and come away, your shall hence upon your wedding day. You have to go today in the wedding day. Bid your friends welcome. So you welcome your friends. Who are the friends over there? Salario, Jessica, and Lorenzo. Bid your friends welcome them. Show a merry cheer. And as he is so sad when he got the letter, when he was reading the letter, his face changed. So his face changed. So Hosea says that be merry and show smile, be happy. Since you are dear bought, I will love you dear. Many points are there, one after the other. He is keep telling. See what he says. Since you are dear bought. DEAR, dear. Here the meaning of this is you are very valuable, costly, expensive. Dear meaning here is expensive bought. What she wants to say that you have given your friend, that means for 3,000 ducats your friend life is going to be taken. That means your friend spent a lot for you and he had given you such a money, and since you are dear, and here what she wants to say, you are so expensively, since you are expensively purchased as a husband. I have bought you, that means expensively purchased. I have purchased you because you have spent lot of money to get me, and I have got you as expensive. So here this dear means expensive, and dear what? Expensively purchased as a husband over here. I will love you dear. So I will love you that much and I value more. But let me hear the letter of your friend. After telling all this, that means she is comforting Bassanio and supporting him and counseling him and consoling him. After telling all these things, what she says, let me hear what is written in the letter. Read it. So Bassanio reads the letter. Sweet Bassanio, my ships have, this is the words written by Antonio to Bassanio. Sweet Bassanio, my ships have all miscarried. My creditors grow cruel. My estate is very low. My bond to the Jew is forfeit. And since in paying it, it is impossible I should live, all debts are cleared between you and I, if I might but see you at my death. Notwithstanding, use your pleasure. If your love do not persuade you to come, let not my letter. So, clearly Antonio has written his condition here. What he has written here, sweet Bassanio, my ships have all miscarried, means all the ships are lost. My creditors grow cruel. They are becoming so cruel with me. My estate is very low. All my financial condition has gone down. My bond to the Jew is forfeit. And I am in a very bad condition. My bond to, it is failed. I have failed to pay the amount to, according to the bond, I have failed to pay the amount to Shylock in 3 months, that 3,000 ducats. And since he is paying it, it is impossible I should live. It is very there is no possibility to me to survive or to live. All debts are cleared between you and I should live. All debts are cleared between you and I. If I might but see you at my death. And he is putting one condition. What condition? If I might but see you at my death, then only. If I could you see you before my death, then only all the debts between you and me, because Bassanio got so much debt from Antonio, all will be clear. If I could see you before my death, that means he's longing. He wants to meet Bassanio before he faces the death. So he is sure that he is going to die, because Shylock is not at all coming down. After all their requests, he refused to accept his plead. So he is written this. And then, notwithstanding, use your pleasure. However, if you please, however you please, if your love do not persuade, you do come. That means, if you love me, that means you love me, you please come to meet me, and not this letter, not because of this sad letter, but if you love me, please come. I want to see you. And Portia, oh love, dispatch all business and be gone. So Portia is telling Bassanio, oh my love, my dear, my lord, quickly finish all the business and go to Venice immediately. So Bassanio, since I have your good leave to go away, since you are asking me to go and you are giving me permission, I will make haste. But till I come again, no bed shall ever be guilty of my stay, no rest be interposed twixt us twine. Twixt us twine means between us both. Between both of us, there should not be any sleep or any rest. So I'll be restless and I'll be sleepless until I come back to Belmont. So he is leaving. Exit means exit, they are moving from the stage. So here ends that scene 2, where Portia, in Portia's house, Bassanio and all these people met, and Bassanio had chosen the right casket, and here it ends. So in the next class we will see the next scene.